In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up two separate keyboards to play Tekken head-to-head on a single computer. First, you need to download and install HID Hide to prevent the game from seeing duplicate inputs. Once that is installed, open Keyboard Splitter and click on the slots to assign your first keyboard to player 1 and the second keyboard to player 2. You will need to click the Start button in the software to begin the emulation. After that, open your game settings in Tekken and head to the controller mapping section. You should now see two separate gamepads active in the menu. This setup is perfect for players who prefer the precision of a mechanical keyboard over a traditional arcade stick or a standard controller. It is a fantastic way to enjoy local multiplayer matches with your friends, even if you do not own any gamepads. Make sure your keybinds do not overlap with each other to avoid any input ghosting issues during intense combos. Once your keys are mapped correctly, you are ready to jump into the arena and fight. This simple configuration opens up a whole new way to play your favorite fighting games right at your desk.